Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Venkatam Naita, art teacher from DA Public School, Kukatpalli. So I would like to start my session with this beautiful line. Integrating art with code. Okay, so today we selected the topic air. So now I'm going to explain how to integrate art, means drawing, painting, collage, like that. So I would like to start this session with these beautiful lines. We don't appreciate what we have until it's gone. Freedom is like that. It's like air. When you have it, you don't notice it. Yes, of course, present in this pandemic situation, once again it's true how much important the air is. Yes, coming to the topic, how can we integrate the topic with art? Means drawing, painting, collage. So here I would like to say art integration with subject, not subject integration with art. Artistic skills should not overpower the concepts. So don't force students for the skill drawing. Now I would like to show some drawings on air pollution. So simple forms, with simple forms, how I'm showing how the air get polluted. Here I would like to add one point. Art integration with subjects is not a new thing. We are already doing this from so many years onwards, but this time we need to upload the data. Because every time after completing your chapter, you used to ask the students to prepare charts, models, that all will come under art project only. So here, how the smoke will come out, how the air will pollute it, and this all concept you will explain to students only in the picture format. If you'll explain, the students will understand easily. Because of that, I want to show that the pollution, how much dangerous to it. So because of that, I'm taking here symbolically the air like a devil, like Rakshas. So here I'm taking the globe, how it is attacking. Yes, see that how it's attacking the earth. Same way, ozone layer. One more important thing is it will damage the ozone layer. This all concept you will explain to students. Only the thing, the picture format, drawing format, I'm showing here. You can ask the students to present it in different way. They will also try in creative ways. Because one concept, by taking the one concept, we can do many kind of compositions like this. So you know that with the smoke, what kind of gases will come out? Greenhouse gases you'll call, okay? So carbon dioxide like that. And one more reason for this pollution, air pollution, the important thing is vehicles. So because of that, we will teach our students to avoid personal transport and use the public transport. That is also one reason. So simple form, here I'm not going for many details. I'm not adding the drawing skills here. Simple shape, simple thing, how we can make the vehicle. So the car also. So like this, with these simple forms, if you'll explain on the board, the students also very happy because they learn in different way. Your concept they learn, they will understand it very different way. So carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, like that, greenhouse gases, GHG. So how it attack the nature. So here I would like to present it like this in a simple format. I hope you like this. Now another drawing I'm going to show, that is very, very important topic, global warming. So before that, I would like to give a quote. What is global warming here? An increase in the Earth's average atmospheric temperature that causes corresponding changes in climate, and they may result from the greenhouse effect. So how we can show the global warming with this video I'm explaining now, with this drawing. Simple things, simple shapes, simple forms. Okay. With this drawing, I'm trying to explain the importance of earth. So I compare the earth with our eye, because children will understand easily how much important the eyes are. Very important to the human. Same way, the earth also very important. Because of that, I taken the eye shape. So already said to you, the drawing skills, not important the concept. So don't stress the students, or don't stress yourself for skilled drawing. Downside here, I'm showing the causes of global warming, and upside, I will show how the nature, if we protect our nature, how it will be. It's a symbolic drawing. Okay, people understand visual symbols more quickly than words. So your visual notes become more understandable. So here I showed the earth is like crying. I will show the earth finally how it looks. Okay, the causes. So deforestation, one more reason that I'm showing here. Some points I taken here, many points are there. I know that. Just some points. If I'll take more points here, the composition in our art language, it looks clumsy. So simple way I'm showing the nature. See upside. Okay. The greenery, if we'll maintain greenery, planting more trees, and using the solar electricity. These are some points. The windmill, how we can use this wind energy, solar electricity. If we use these all, we can save the earth from the global warming. Yes, I'm taking the like a fire to symbolically to show that the globe is, the earth is heating. I said to you, I'm taking here the crying, the earth is crying, means symbolically we are saying we are giving, okay, we are troubling the earth, nothing but ourselves. Troubling the earth means nothing but ourselves. So I hope you enjoyed this. So one more drawing I will show you. Yeah. Till now I explained, okay, the air pollution and global warming. Now how to protect the earth? Okay, this concept, once you explain the bad things and what ways we can save the earth also you'll explain. So further this drawing I'm showing. So I already said to you, this is symbolic way, okay, picture, because going for the big drawings and giving trouble to students, no, that is not the project. And I already said the art project is nothing but it's not new at all. PCA competitions, okay, you'll give the competition, you'll conduct the competition, even in the assembly time, okay, you'll ask the students to speak about nature, that all things you can record, you can use it as an art integration project. The children will sing, dance, they'll make a short kind of things. Here I use umbrella, I say protector, okay, for earth. The umbrella I'm using here as a protector. So the umbrella divisions nothing but points. Okay, what are the points will save the earth? By maintaining which kind of things we can save our earth. So I'm showing here. In the divisions, I will write the points. What are the important points here? Yes. So you can ask the students to write, but coming to art, generally we'll show in the picture format. We will not write, but this is the art integration project. So you ask them to students write the points, stop deforestation, plant more trees, avoid plastic, use, recycle. So coming to subject, you will explain. So only the thing they have to show the concept in the picture format, drawing format. Students can color it also. So it's not compulsory they should color. It's compulsory they have to do only drawing. It's not like that. Anything, any concept in presentation in any way, present it. So plantation, plant more trees, and use the solar electricity, wind energy. See that complete that all topics how I covered. I already said to you many ways they can present it, many ways because so once they'll understand the concept, they can make it in different creative forms. Okay. And especially coming to English, you can ask them to write a slogan. Slogan writing also will come under art project. Okay. And they can write a slogans also. Yes. So this is the thing. Okay. Till now we explained global warming. Okay. Pollution, how to save it. So after teaching your subject, after completing your subject, generally used to ask the students questions. So this drawing is like a question for students. So what is that you see here? With drawing also you can give a question. You can ask a question. So what is that you see here? So I taken one box, made it into two parts. Simple way, simple drawings, simple shapes. No need of scales, no need of compass, no need of anything, drawing skills. You'll understand very easily the concept. Here what I'm showing, one side I'm showing till now what we learn. Okay. So what we learn, nothing but that only. I'm saying one side and other side. Afterwards, we will leave a question to the students. So already said to you one more time, again and again, I'm repeating, art integration project is not a new thing. So don't stress yourself or don't stress the students. So collect it, just collect the data, record it and keep it. Many ways we can conduct the art integration project. Whatever the topic you're taking, compare with your subject. Yes, see here, I'm showing nothing but one side, the beautiful nature if will make, will protect how the nature will be there. Yes. Now, okay, the student picture. If the student is standing there, so which way you will select? You ask the students which way you will go. Till now, I explain the subject. So decide and tell me which way you want to go. Yes, this is like a kind of question. One question you are giving to students. I hope you enjoyed. Okay. So thank you.